Welcome to Lex's World. Today I wanted to talk about overwatering, how to know it's happening and how to avoid it. It's tough to overwater in a hydroponic system that's properly oxygenated, but overwatering is really common with soil growers. It's way more common than underwatering. Too much water in the soil prevents roots from getting at the oxygen and they start to drown. You know that your plants are being overwatered if you see that your plants are drooping a lot, with minor color damage happening to the leaves, and then those leaves start to fall off with almost no wilting. You'll also notice that growth is really slow, and your growing medium always feels like it's soaked, even if it's been a while since you watered. The soil may even have some signs of fungal growth. So, to avoid all this, here's a few common tips to keep in mind. Number 1, only water your plants when you feel that the growing medium is losing moisture and getting dry. Just stick your finger in it a bit to check. If it's still moist, don't water. However, if it's dry, then you've waited too long. Number 2, make sure that your pots have drainage and that the drainage holes are working properly. Number 3, young plants in smaller containers need to be watered more frequently, but with small amounts of water. On the other hand, larger plants in larger containers need more water volume per watering, but should be watered less frequently. Those are the real basics. If you're having chronic, ongoing overwatering issues and you don't know why, here's a few other options you can try. First, ensure that your grow room has good ventilation. Indoor soil grows with bad ventilation are notorious for overwatering problems because if the air is moist and stale, it keeps the soil moist too. Secondly, drain the standing water out of your drainage trays if you find that they seem to be holding a lot. Use a syringe or a sponge to get it out. If you don't trust your fingers, try using a soil water meter. I'll include a link to them in the description. Using a water meter will save you the stress of wondering whether things are too moist or too dry. And finally, if you use large quantities of mulch, remove some of it. Large amounts of mulch slow down the evaporation of the water in the soil. Well guys, that's the show on overwatering. Hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to subscribe to Lex's World and hit that like button. We'll see ya.